Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you are well and I'm fine by the grace of Allah. So already I came in Siduli Dharabarisha Gurdashpur Nator for making video for my YouTube channel, and you can see this is market of vegetables market here. I'm very happy and excited. You can see a lot of market of vegetables, and all vegetables bring in this market for buying of us for selling. So by the way, really I cannot speak English, but I try how to improve English speaking. So please, if you like this video, so subscribe, share and comment. And so big market in this market. So already I heard the pumpkin high price 1000 and low price 600 per moon, and watermelon already I heard watermelon 100 piece 5000 or 7000 already businessman said to farmer. So mashallah, now I am going to show you the vegetables, gourd, pumpkin, celery, and cucumber and others vegetables. So let's go.